Hello students, welcome back to AMERICOM. It's your teacher Joseph. Guys, it's been ages, right? Yeah, actually AMERICOM has another teacher, so we are two in this game. So, I lost also my voice, so I couldn't really perform better. So that way we had our teacher, other teacher that, was getting charge of everything. But now, actually, we're gonna be mixing it up because this is literally what it is. All right, so guys, as you can see here, your teacher is strong and healthy. And, he decided today to give you a classic lesson that, is going to blow your mind. All right, so what you got going on here today is literally idioms, okay? So today we're going to see, idioms. Idioms is one of the best way to sound like a native speaker. Actually, the major way, all right? So idioms, this is literally the part one that we got here. Actually, we got a lot of idioms in the English department. But today, I decided to show you these ones that are on the board. So, mean that next part is gonna be another certain words. You know what I mean? All right. So, guys, I think that you're really gonna like because this is so important. Actually, everybody must know this if you really wanna sound like a native, and everybody wanna sound like a native. That's literally our goal. And that dream is gonna be a reality. So, what we gotta do is to make sure that we join the hand together and we work upon each and every process concerning the English language. So as far as I'm concerned, I'm gonna give you the instruction, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna actually help you to make sure that you perform better in the English department, and that's the most important stuff. All right, so without wasting a lot of time, let's get into it. All right, so les gars, today AMERICOM, ils décident de renseigner l'un des plus chers, you know what I'm saying? Les classiques leçons idiomes. Les expressions idiomatiques, ce sont des phrases très importantes. Amba lazima wawe uzijue persone comme native. Tuhambia nyamba l'anglais abasenonge na sensation nyingi swafi. Naka kuzijua les proverbes, je veux dire les expressions idiomatiques. Naka kuzijua les vibes, naka ngo babuho. Phrases zao longo chari, naka kuzijua les mélodies, les accents, comme on fait les conversations. Les tachilo udongo jua les mélodies comment ça se produisent namnaika omba wawe turo yawe tsobuha mbabano ujiparango jingo babuho shingereza ambayani wawe wango jiviwa. All right, so the most important part is you really want to sound like a native speaker, and to sound like a native speaker you gotta make sure that you go after it. I mean, like, you hunt native, you know what I mean? So you gotta hunt native way. All right, so lazima udawa la chas harumai native way. All right, so leo ngerjao watinolata wakati ngerjao rijeruone comment ça va se produire, ok, avec les expressions idiomatiques. C'est très classe parce que ça sonne comme les Américains. I am the teacher, and actually I'm gonna give instruction, and whatever I'm gonna tell you, that's gonna be the perfect one. You know what I mean? I'm gonna lead you to the right part, and a lot of people actually admire the part that I lead you to the right part, and that's the most important stuff. All right. So with that being said, I think that it's high time for us to catch the lesson. So I recommend you watch the video until the end because it's so important. And I guarantee you that, this lesson is going to blow your mind. It's going to make you happy, right? Lesson to planer parce que c'est très important. On doit jouer les expressions aussi idiomatiques pour sonner comme un Américain. Donc, let's go. Nabungi, c'est très important. Here we have idioms, part 1, la première partie des idiomes. Right, so here we have the first one that we got here. We got to let the cat out of the bag. All right, so hold on, don't let the cat out of the bag. All right, so to let the cat out of the bag, ça veut dire to reveal a secret. Nakalo jatu hambia secret, vano tuhambia vraiment nanuno gari, Dubai, Mercedes, G-Wagon, après nakasi amene nuti tatambo ajua. Après tout ajua. Donc c'est secret en right? Donc how un idiome donc do not tell anybody that secret. Usi tolemu secret yo. Donc how un idiome we say don't let the cat out of the bag. All right? So to let the cat out of the bag. So don't let the cat out of the bag. All right? So don't reveal a secret. Okay, donc unaka para fake namneno tuambia mwanzano ho, but be careful, don't let the cat out of the bag. ustoe secret. And who anda babu hata finalement to secret. All right, so don't let the cat out of the bag. Now, all right, so next here we have once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon. Ça veut dire rarely happens. All right, so naka quelque chose yo hijiri rarement. So ça veut dire it happens once in a blue moon. Naka uzama na suppose harumama hawaija visite mara moja. Donc uja mujirano hambia basi. Jirano hambia basi mwana hawaika rumubira bano. Of course he passes once in a blue moon, all right? Once in a blue moon. Yeah. Donc ça veut dire rarely happens. Yani yo hijiri, ndongo yo hijiri be rarement. Rari swafi hijiru. Do you understand? All right, so next here we have out of the blue. Out of the blue. Ça veut dire completely unexpected. Yani ndo wekamba kwa kuihensia. Right? So uka anniversary yao, right? Après uketi ngolindo kado mwanzano hajaho bakadela hajaho babikula mwanzano tuho, right? Hajaho bingia patala la Mercedes, right? Ubia au bingia iPhone 15 Pro Max, right? Après hajaho wow, he just gifted me the gift out of blue, right? Yani kwa kuhensia ambayo to hijiri, right? So out of blue. By the way, you have to use these idioms. All right, so next we have here beat around the bush. All right, so to beat around the bush, ça veut dire discuss a matter, not coming to the point. All right, yeah. So na kama uri ngombano ngomtwao hadisi siketu dongo ngotoro ngwenu ngobe uketi kuno randita, you know, na wale ngotoro ngwenu ngo fulana mba mtaho mapesa be ujavano hanalizana kana zisika ziolo tsakara sindara pia hindu dahoni. So start beating around the bush, okay? Uzindisha hizo rongwa zinongo ko harumwa ipoe rongwa directly draw a beat, okay? En français on dit draw a beat, all right? Donc start beating around the bush, come to the point directly, okay? Isha uketsamba hadisi ndo nyengi rongwa lezo tsaho rongwa vite fait relawe nazo, right? So to beat around the bush. All right, so here we have natural cause, okay? Natural cause. So nakarongwa natural cause yedo wakati wakenzi wahano apre bon usongeha, right? Yani ngongongire mshanani ngotsonge toni ole de diri I am going to the toilet, right? Or I want to go to the toilet, I want to go to the bathroom, whatever. Ngurumyo idiom natural cause, okay? Shikomoro sonwa naturinge hirao. In English, Shingereza, natural cause wakati wakenzi usongea ngotsonge toni mwambie mnyao au whatever. Yo, my brother, wait for me a second. Natural cause, all right? So here we have to paint the town red. Oh my God, we gotta go and paint the town red. You know, nzuri swafi mbadongo irumia. So to paint the town red, ça veut dire to go out and enjoy oneself flamboyantly. So to paint the town red, you know, wakati ulio vano, nirna design rongwa okay, alonzi namdeza to club, right? Boati nira tsahezi lo pleasure zatu tsahezi brocheti rasterehi yani rapresie yani, you know what I mean? So when the hama buy, right? So that is to paint the town red. Jawabano jitambalo, let's go and we have fun, you know, like getting some low, you know, chicken out there and, you know, some low drinks and stuff, you know what I'm saying? So all that enjoyment, amaizo planetism mdamos fanye, we just say simplement on dit we gotta go and paint the town red, okay? Or let's go and paint the town red. Okay, today we're gonna paint the town red, okay? To paint the town red. C'est classique à utiliser. So next we have red letter day. A red letter day. So nakarongwa red letter day. Ça veut dire a special and happy, memorable and important day. So a red letter day, ça veut dire yo journée kawamba journée spéciale, journée mémorable, right? Journée important, journée à joy, you know, happiness, you know what I mean? Like journée à joie, right? Donc on appelle ça a red letter day, right? So kujua inakakatraka wakati les mecs là, right? Wa rencontrer copini pour la première jour après ngom hadisu paramba yani plane, right? Yani ahambia oui, on va être ensemble en ma relation, right? Donc that day is a red letter day, right? Parce que you will never forget that day. Kuno paro iduala ça sera mémorable. Cette journée toka important deri tautundai hanzia mo calendrier laho parce que des quoi para continuaho. Donc that day is a red letter day. Red letter day, right? Journée spéciale, happy, memorable, important, right? All right. So here we have get out of hand. Get out of hand, all right? So get out of hand, get out of hand, ça veut dire get out of control. Yani ngeilonge zinziro takushinda controlling. Yani zozo kuzingamanya, right? Yani wao jiparamba yani ngamia mna meno. Well, hafikra mashaka mshakiki, yani you know what I'm saying? So we say this is getting out of hand. Out of hand, okay? Ça veut dire donc zinziro takashinda za controler. All right? Okay, so next here we have better late than never, right? So better late than never. So nakatsirongwamba better late than never, ça veut dire better to arrive late than not come at all, okay? Than not to come at all. Ça veut dire en français de rongo mieux vaut tard que jamais. Better late than never, alright? Boroki en retard na okamba kwa jata tahata. Better late than never. Mieux vaut tard que jamais en français. Alright, so next you have to kick the bucket. So to kick the bucket, ça veut dire to die. To kick the bucket, you nakamro afu. So he kicked the bucket. Afu, right? Like my grandma kicked the bucket long time ago. Okwangu afu, right? Yeah, peace be upon her. Alright, so nakaungu tsaurungwe amba mro afu, right? Donc tsaurungwe yani she idiom, right? Then what's our main expression idiomatic, that's gonna be to kick the bucket, okay? So next here we have use your tongue to count your teeth. So use your tongue to count your teeth. So think rationally before making final decision. So nakatuambia, oh bro, listen, ngerivano ngerongo ngerifanya ngo mruka maja, we yo problem. Why yo naka yo I'm sure amba waya atonda renge garilo alihudze welo après alihudza waminga mundana namshitaki nimtie prison ban kamna mlao nende na alerte police na wale time dule takasi na tasfikira zilamba welo amba ngenda kudze gari, right? Donc mwami manzano haya mwambio yo please you have to use your tongue to count your teeth, okay? Use your tongue rumia ulimi wako to count your teeth uhisabu imanyo yao. But your case na sense, right? Donc sense yayo ni yino. Think rationally before making a final decision, all right? Donc fikira hauzuri upare umnofwezi ndongo avant ya utoa decision finale. All right, so next we have sharp up or ship out. Sharp up or ship out. Here we have behavior doesn't improve, have to leave, all right? So nakama ori supposons urenge mrungo mleo dahon haho après vraiment comportement henge mbi hauziro swaf kula sikungo mwelezo taulemewa, all right? Donc usikilo he hasra mwambia so you have to sharp up or ship out. Lazima change comportement au abuja ndeza. That's so classic, right? Ngozaho bureau de CEO, de directeur général wa bureau. Après, ma employé wa hongo bomba na comportement mbi ngomwele zatawa ulemeo, are you like you have to sharp up or ship out. Lazima improve, right? Lazima comportement ho yo change ike bien, sinon amuto hazingola on it, right? So that's the meaning of sharp up or ship out. Donc, très classique à utiliser. So, next here we have break the ice, okay? So, break the ice to start a conversation. So, okay, let's break the ice. To break the ice, you must persuade la glace. Because in a sense, right? Donc, to break the ice, ça veut dire to start a conversation. Nakasolongwamba break the ice, ça veut dire na handisa conversation. All right? All right, so this is actually what AMERICOM wanted to share with you today. This brief lesson, idioms part 1. All right, so in the première partie, namnongo tia parcourir les idiomes et les utiliser hano yonti mji parao parce que ino demba jua mina mba kweli wo mamsa ulio professionnel ujua ushingereza ubabu hao nro, right? So I'm gonna give you an example. When I was in Dar es Salaam, so I went to a restaurant. I was getting some egos, like it was a lunch time. I was so hungry. Nicola Mashahula wa Premidi, right? I'm a restaurant at Dar es Salaam, right? Donc, remember, I'm in Kampala, Uganda, right? Je suis à Kampala, Uganda, right? I was in Dar es Salaam recently. Tika récemment, tika Dar es Salaam, you know. So, après, Nicola Mashahula, right? I'm a restaurant. Après, bon, voilà, il a servi au vale, right? À Janba, Shaula, après TV. Tu apprécies Shaula, Shizuri, soif, right? Après, Skuyo, vraiment, Skatik Jibiwa, Haïcha, Udaisho, parce que Skashpiwa Hauzuri, right? Après, journée, yani journée, memorable, Italian. Mono Tatiano, Gamotoloni, Hadisi, right? So, that day was a red letter day. So, I told the waitress that this day will be a red letter day in my life. Ça veut dire que journée, journée mémorable, important, journée de joy. Yani, you know, it's a journée ikawamba yani, it's not paro iduala harumwe maisha yangu parce que tili hauzuri, shaula shijiva, alright? And I love food. I told the waitress, Mambamba, this day will be a red letter day. So our plan is wow, red letter day? What does it mean? Parce que kakuelewa, simueleza mbayo expression idiomatique. Right, so Nambiamba, what is your profession? And I told her that I'm a teacher, of course. All right, so yeah, so we have to be wise, you know. Yeah, we have to make sure that we perform better in the English department. And I promise you guys that if you literally know all these, all right, if you apply yourself in these idiom, right, so whenever you find yourself and you practice this idiom, people will definitely say that, oh my God, that guy is so professional. Right? So we have to be professional. All right, so we have to make sure that we perform better in the English language. We have to speak English very fluently. All right, so hopefully you really enjoyed the lesson. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Make sure you like, you comment, and you share. Make sure, most importantly, that you watch all AMERICOM videos because you will gain after and you will thank me after like 100%. Donc s'il vous plaît, abonnez-vous, tournez la cloche, partagez les leçons avec vos amis. On a donc regardé les leçons parce que c'est très important aussi. Donc les leçons, surtout dans les commentaires, commenter, like, you know what I mean? Un jour ça nous babu ha Shingereza na mnatsaho shibabu he Shingereza na mnaika wamba yani ujobenza uke undomu shibabu ha harumai maisha yaho. So I think that we have to stop here and I shall see you in the next lesson. Peace.